Hi, this is Elisa with WTI, and I would love to share with you a very practical gift my husband received, and it's this Timberland Slim Leather Wallet. He really loved this very practical gift because it's not only very well made. I want you to pay attention to the details. He really appreciates that it's very thin. You're going to see the high quality with the perfect stitches it has. It's very durable. And it's 100% leather. If you're not liking this tan color, you can also get blue, brown, or black. You can fit your dollar bills, cards, your driver license, just what you need. And a plus for him is that he can fit it on his back pocket or his front pocket because it's so thin and practical. This is a very practical gift for your husband, for your brother, or for a friend. It's very inexpensive. I highly recommend it. You can see the quality, and that is just my point of view.